Gradework, background image selection. In later versions, sheet borders used for inserting plan sheets and drone images have been moved from the annotation layer to the background images layer. Click the image selection button to view all images in the file. The image selection window may be moved to another screen. The currently displayed image will be checked. Select the image name to highlight the image border. To load an image, select the image name and check Current, or click the Load button. Rename the images to group them by type and identify the sheets. You can also use the Control Pick option to select specific sheets. Once these sheets have been selected, you can choose to toggle them on or off by simply clicking the Show button. Another option is the Shift Select feature. This can be used to choose multiple sheets at one time. To do this, just hold the Shift key down, choose your range, then you can toggle showing or not showing the background images. You also have the option to use the Select All feature. To do this, right-click and select All, and you can choose to show or select all and choose to hide. On occasions, the plan sheet will have a match line with the plan data on the same sheet. When the same sheet is imported a second time, the image selection will only show one sheet in the list since it is the same name. To see both sheets, you will need to change the image name in the list. After renaming the sheet, click Current and the original name will display in the list. You can rename the other sheet as well. You can uncheck the Show box to hide the image borders that are not being used. To remove an image, select the sheet and click Delete. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. This will be very beneficial for projects with a large number of sheets. You may also insert the sheets using the standard procedure. This will conclude our tutorial.